Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a full face mask DIY, and here it is right here. Let me move this out of the way. And this is it right here, you guys. This you just put right over your face and around your head, and it will protect you from any germs. It will not guarantee protection from the virus. So, however, it does protect your eyes, and it will shield someone sneezing and so forth. And so this, I'm using laminator sheets. However, laminator sheets are not clear, so there is a fuzz to it. So when you do look through it, I'm going to bring it to the lens and you'll see. You see that film right there? It's not clear. And so if you don't have anything else, I would use laminator sheets. However, if you do have plastic or some sort of plastic for packaging or something like that, or some acetate would be awesome, you guys. Or you guys could go to Michael's and pick up, you know, the baker's boxes and cut them up and use it as well. But what you will need, and I came up with this idea, and so I went ahead and searched YouTube to see if anyone else have created this. And yes, 4 days ago, someone came up with something like this. My idea was to sew these on. However, this person had a great idea of using Velcro, and that it is adhesive Velcro. And I thought that was amazing. They used something else for the band here. You know, as crafters, we have this laying around, and all it is foam. And the foam is 1/4 inch thick. So I picked that up from Hobby Lobby. Don't get it confused with this foam right here. So you could see the difference in thickness. And so if you do have this thin one, I would suggest layering up or even using foam tape. So if you have foam tape laying around, use that as well. You know, as crafters, how we do it, we have laminator sheets, we have acetate sheets, we have foam tape, we have foam sheets as well. And so all you need is the Velcro. So let's go ahead and make one of these. So you will need your laminator. I did get this one for Christmas. It was a gift, and it has come in so handy. At first, when I got it, I was like, what am I going to do with this? But I definitely have been using it, and I've been loving it. So I'm going to run this through, and we'll go through the next slide. Okay, this is what it looks like. So I did run this through the machine. So now let's go ahead and put this together. So where I got the Velcro idea was from Branko Stovic, I think. I'm going to link him below so you guys could take a look. But he does his completely different, and does it more of a hardware industrial type of mask, where this is using your craft items. And so what you're going to need is that the thick foam right here, and I pulled out my cutting mat, and you're going to cut an inch strip. And I do use these, and be careful because I have cut myself before and I have a scar from it. As you guys know, it's right here. So you're going to do, oh no, not an inch thick, you're going to want to do 3/4 of an inch thick. And so we're going to cut right here, you guys, and just be extra careful. So that's what that looks like, and you're going to need double-sided adhesive. And I am using my ATG gun, and the tape that I'm using is the permanent one. So you want to use the permanent one because you don't want this coming off. So we're going to run some adhesive down this foam strip. If you do acetate, you're going to want to round the corners so you don't nick your face, so you don't want to cut yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this, place it right here, leaving about an inch from each side. Okay, so there it is right there. And then I'm going to get some of the Velcro. We're going to go ahead and measure it and just eyeball it there because it's not, it's roughly an inch, but it's give or take an inch. And so we're going to cut that. And then we're going to cut the other half. So we're going to cut the opposite side. So let's put these together. And then we're going to cut this down the middle because my elastic is going to be this size right here. So let's cut it down the middle. And the Velcro that I'm using is the Scotch brand. And let me show you the package. It's this one right here, the super holding power. That's what you want right there. And so here we go. Let's go ahead and remove this. Okay, now just place it right on the top right there. And do the same on the other side. And see, like I said, it's give or take an inch right here, so you just cut the excess off. So I went ahead and did that. Now we're gonna go ahead and, okay, so you're gonna wanna measure this and just put it around your head. I'm gonna do that right now. And you're gonna wanna have some tension on it and pull it all the way to your temples, from the back of your head to your temples. So it would go like this, from the back of your head to the front of the side of your head, like that. So this is mine right here. And so that's where I'm gonna cut. So roughly it's about, looks like about 13, 14 inches. Big giant head with tons of hair. So I don't want it too snug. So yeah, it is 12, 13, 14 inches. And so now we're gonna remove the tape from right here. Move that out of the way. Okay, so here we go. We just go ahead and place that elastic there, and then on the other side, let's do the other side. And there you have it, you guys. A mask, a face mask to cover your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. I would suggest using this with a mask as well. And I would suggest using a filter in your mask of non-woven material. I am not a professional, so I do not guarantee that this will not give you any type of a virus or cold, or you will not get any sickness. So do your research, please. And this is what I'm doing for my family, and I just want to share this with you as well. So again, this is what I'm going to use, as well as a mask, and hopefully this worked out for you guys. And again, I would suggest also using acetate versus the laminator sheet, but if you don't have anything else, this is perfect for your children, for your spouse, for your family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.